to see you all back again. You're doing your right exercises and you're watching what you're eating, but still the scale won't budge in. You're probably wondering what on earth I'm doing wrong. Well, watch this video through and I'm going to take you through 10 possible reasons why you're not losing weight. You can solve your problems once and for all. Number 1, you're eating too little. Eating too much of food makes you gain weight. But surprisingly, eating too little also makes it very difficult to lose those extra pounds, because you see, your body has a natural instinct to go into starvation mode, into your protection mode when you eat very little food. As a result, your metabolism slows down and your body hangs on to every bit of food, every bit of fat you eat, it hangs on to it. And your metabolism also slows down. So it becomes impossible to lose those extra pounds. So you need to eat the right amount of food to lose weight. Second one, you are eating more than what you think. This is surprisingly true. I have experienced it, believe me. You need to maintain a food diary and record it for 1 or 2 weeks. What you eat, everything what you put in your mouth, record it. You'll be surprised, believe me. In this way, you can cut down the extra things, extra food, what you're eating without realizing that you're consuming it. Number 3 is you're not drinking enough water. Drinking enough water increases the oxygen flow in your blood. So it gives the capacity, it gives the energy to your body to burn those calories in your body. And by not drinking enough water, you're restricting your body to burn any food you eat. And number 4, unrealistic expectations. You know, I've been seeing these things all over the place. You know, lose 10 kilos in 10 days and lose 5 kilos in 5 days. Oh, it's crap. Come on. Your body is not a machine. It is just a human body. You didn't put on those 10 kilos in 10 days. Then how can you lose 10 kilos in 10 days in a healthy way? It takes time to lose your weight because it took some months, a few months, several months, or in some cases years to put on those 10 kilos. So it is going to shed it slowly. So set yourself realistic expectations. Otherwise, you're setting up for a failure. You don't want to do that. You don't want to get disappointed in weight loss. Set yourself a realistic, very realistic weight loss goal and go on slowly. That's the best thing to go. And number 5, you're not getting enough sleep. Remember, sleep is equal to repair. Your body detoxifies itself when you sleep. And if your body is toxic, how can you lose weight? No matter what exercises you do, no matter what diets you follow, how strict your diet is, it will be impossible to lose weight. It's very simple. If your body gets enough rest, you're able to perform well and your hormones gets regulated when you sleep. If you have imbalanced hormones in your body, it's impossible to lose weight. So get enough sleep to lose weight. And number 6, you're not active enough. Make exercise as a part of your life. It could be something as simple as walking your kids to the school and taking the stairs instead of the elevator. You know, it could be as simple as that. You can also do yoga and meditation as well. You know, exercise increases the blood flow in your body. More blood flow means more oxygen is carried out to the trillions of cells in your body. That increases your metabolism. So you need to make exercise as a part of your life. And number 7 is skipping meals. When you skip your meals, your body thinks it goes into starvation mode, it goes into your protection mode and it reduces your metabolism. Metabolism goes way down. So it becomes impossible to lose weight. And also your blood sugar level crashes as well. So always eat your meals on time. Don't skip meals to reduce weight. It doesn't help you. And number 8 is you hit a weight loss plateau. You know, this is a nightmare for anybody who wants to lose weight. I've been there as well, believe me. And you know what it means is you're losing few pounds and after that you can't lose any. That means it is stagnant right now. To break this weight loss plateau, what you have to do is shake up your exercise, do different exercises and also follow a different eating plan as well for some time, maybe 10 or 15 days. That will definitely break your weight loss plateau. And number 9 is you're eating too much of good food. Yes, that's very surprising. It is good food you're eating. You're eating very healthy food, but the quantity also matters. Remember, even a fruit has got calories. There should be a moderation. You know, eat everything in moderation to lose weight. And number 10 is stress. Stress has a direct impact on your metabolism and weight loss. You shouldn't have stress if you want to lose weight. If you are stressful, your body is toxic. Remember, when your body is toxic, no matter what exercises you do, it's impossible to lose weight. Live a stress-free life and get enough sleep to lose weight. Weight loss is all about reducing your food intake and exercising sensibly and never giving up. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends as well so they can benefit too. And I'll see you in my next video with more and more weight loss tips. Until then, goodbye everyone.